Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a roast whole chicken in the oven. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious roast chicken, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and you guys can check out my playlist as well. Alright, I have all different types of video on my playlist. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my whole roast chicken in the oven. Enjoy. Hey guys, so this is my ingredients for my roast whole chicken. First we have some orange peel powder, black pepper, mustard hot sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. This sauce, Worcestershire sauce, I can't pronounce it. We got some butter, ginger, we have some cut up onion and garlic, we have some grated ginger, and we have some apples here, and the chicken here where we're going to be roasting. Alright, so let's season up our chicken now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is do this one side first. So you're going to just put in some all-purpose seasoning, some chicken season, some paprika, some onion powder, garlic powder, some ginger powder, some black pepper, this is just for this one side, right? And some orange peel powder. I'm gonna mix it up. Right? Make sure you rub the seasoning all over the chicken. Alright? And then you're gonna turn it over, and you're gonna do that the other side as well. Okay? So we'll be back. So I just finished seasoning both sides. So we're gonna also do for the inside now. You're gonna put some seasoning in it as well. You're gonna put in you love the chicken seasoning and the all-purpose seasoning. Alright, and you're just gonna rub it in good. Alright, so the outside of the chicken will have flavor and the inside of the chicken will have some flavor as well. Alright, good. So the next step now we have some ginger and butter here, and we're gonna pour in a little bit of the sauce, and you're gonna put in your mustard hot sauce as well. And you're gonna mix everything together. So with this paste now, you're gonna already mix it up. So you're gonna just put this paste now all over on your chicken. Alright? Put all over on this one side, and you're also gonna put on the other side, and also you're gonna put some inside of the chicken as well. Alright? Put some inside the chicken. All over I'm gonna rub it in. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so my chicken is well seasoned up. So what you're gonna do now, I have some onion and garlic in here, and I have some apples as well. The apples. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour some onion, garlic, and apples. Onion, garlic, and apple. I'm going to stuff it with apple, onion, garlic, and some ginger. Right? Push it down really good. Good. So this is what I'm stuffing it with today. Close it in, push in the legs. If you have like a string, you can use a string to tie it, but I don't know, I have to look to see if I have one. If I don't have one, that's fine. And you put it in the oven to bake for about an hour and a half. But when you reach like 45 minutes, you take it out, you turn it over, and then it cook again. Alright, for the remaining time. So we'll be back. Okay guys, as you can see here, my chicken finished baking. The skin is nice and crispy and looks delicious. You can see the apples, the onion, the garlic coming out there. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and please give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. My next video is going to be macaroni and cheese. I'm doing that right now. I'm doing 3 videos today. I'm doing this roast chicken here, I'm doing macaroni, my cheesy macaroni and cheese, and also I'm going to be doing my Christmas rice. Alright, so look up for all 3 videos. This is the roast whole chicken. Alright, take care guys, bye.